Hello, YouTube viewers. I brought my new Corvette. It's green and it's very fast. And who would like to race against me?
I'm gonna race against you.
Who say that?
Me, Mario.
Wait. How about Yoshi?
Okay, I'm going against you too.
How about Luigi? Luigi, are you willing to race against me?
Of course. What you think? I'm gonna be watching here. I'm not gonna be watching here. So, who would like to count? I want to count.
Oh, Mario's gonna count. Okay, Mario. Whenever you're ready, say the numbers.
1, 2, 3,
Go! Oh, I'm still back here. Oh, I have to move. Here we go.
Oh, where's everybody? Hey, we are back here. What are you doing back there? Come over here. All right, grouchy man. We are going to be having a big race.
Again? A big race? Oh, let's do that. Here we go. Woo! Oh, I don't know where Luigi is. I don't know where Mario is. And I'm already here waiting for them. Where's Luigi? Hello, Mario.
Hi, how you doing? Oh, there you go. Luigi's there. Wait, now we're gonna go and have some fun. Running like crazy. Here we go.
How about a race?
How about a race? Here we go. Woohoo! 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 Yahoo-ha! Hey, you guys! Why don't you guys wait for me? Yoshi, I'm gonna bet ya. No, you're not. Yes, I'm gonna bet ya. Here we go. Yeah! Yahoo-ha! Here we go. Wah! Here we go again. Ah!
Yoshi won again.
I bet you guys. Yoshi!
No, I miss you.
First, we're gonna have a race. Who wanna come and have a really good race? Ah! Oh, wait for me! Ah! Oh, wait for me! Ah!
Oh, Mario!
Hey, you guys! Why don't you guys wait for me? Yoshi, I'm gonna bet ya. No, you're not. Yes, I'm gonna bet ya. Here we go. Yeah! Yahoo-ha! Here we go. Wah! Here we go again. Ah!
Yoshi won again.
I bet you guys. Yoshi!
No, I miss you.
Whoa. Whoa.